Okay. First, before you start, check the mirrors, right overview, left overview, rear.
Put to drive mode.
Yes, drive mode.
Handbrake.
Yes. Release handbrake. Very good. Keep moving. Yes. Okay. Okay.
Horn.
Horn. Idu. Okay. Melli. ಇನ್ನ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗು ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಫುಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ಫುಲ್
ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂತ
ಹೋಗು ಯಾರಿಲ್ಲ ಗಿವ್ ಅ ಸ್ಲೈಟ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಲೇಟರ್ ಫುಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ನೋ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಎಸ್ ದಟ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಆರಾಮ್ಸೆ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೋ ನೋ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ನೋ ಕ್ಲಚ್ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಗೇರ್ ಓಕೆ ಆರಾಮ್ಸೆ it will automatically turn into first, second, third as per its speed. You just have to focus on the distance.
It is still in 1. Now it
see 2. Aram se you can go. Now slowly you turn. It will turn. Go. Keep going. Yes. Aram se don't panic. Wait. Okay, now.
It's coming now. Full speed.
It's okay. Even the opposite person comes, in full swing, you just hold. Don't keep moving. Let that vehicle pass and then only you start. Yes. Now there is a signal ahead, right? So what you have to do is slowly, keep applying brakes slowly. Slow. Okay. Maintain the distance. Okay, now apply switch to neutral. Very good. Handbrake. Yes. Now chill. You can remove your foot. See, it doesn't move forward. Okay. So whenever you are in traffic, make sure the gear is shifted to neutral
And handbrake.
Handbrake, yes, so that you can relax your leg as well as you will not. Okay, now handbrake down. Very good. Down. Yes, exactly. Very nice. Now slowly, once you cross this pillar, then yes, very good turn. Yes, nice, lovely. Aram se you can move. Yes, very good. Yes, nice, good speed. Good. Now there's a hump, right? A little bit slow down. Apply the brake smoothly. Yes. Now we are going to take a left turn ahead, right? So keep the indicators on. Yes, nice. See, once you cross this, only then you can take a left. Very good. Nice.
Man, I'm feeling so good.
See, that's the beauty of automatic. You don't have to worry about changing clutch and all. It will do its job. All you have to do is just maintain the distance and apply the brakes on time and maintain the timing. That's it. Like that, slowly. And whenever you are in an incline, right, apply the brake, accelerator a bit, so that right now accelerator. Keep no, this is the indicator. Easy.